Moo, hello there. I'm Daisy the cow, and welcome to our wonderful farm. Oh, I'm so excited to introduce you to my animal friends. Are you ready to meet them? Let's start with my friend Henry the horse. Can you say horse? Great. Now, what sound does a horse make?
Hey, hello everyone.
Wonderful. Henry helps us by pulling carts and giving rides. Isn't that amazing? Now let's visit Penny the pig. Can you say pig? Excellent. And what sound does a pig make?
Oink oink, nice to meet you.
Penny loves to roll in the mud and eat yummy vegetables from our garden. Great job. Our next friend is Woolly the sheep. Can you say sheep? Perfect. Now what sound does a sheep make?
Baba, hello there.
Woolly gives us warm wool for cozy sweaters. Isn't that nice? You're doing great. Now let's all learn a simple song about life on the farm. On the farm, we work and play, animals happy every day.
Moo, neigh, oink, and ba. We're so glad that you're here.
Let's sing it one more time. Ready?
On the farm, we work and play, animals happy every day. Moo, neigh, oink, and ba. We're so glad that...
Wonderful singing, everyone. Now, can you remember all our animal friends? We have Henry the horse, and Henry says,
Nay.
Penny the pig, and Penny says,
Oink oink.
and Woolly the sheep, and Woolly says, Baba! You've done a fantastic job learning about farm animals today. Thank you for visiting our farm. Moo, goodbye for now.